Good morning, students. I am Elia ma'am and I am going to teach you value education. First lesson in your book is Love for God. In this chapter, we learn the value of devotion. Children, God is the creator of everything. He made beautiful world where we live. He gifted us with the lives, body, soul and different sense organs. So we should always have a faith towards God. We show devotions toward God by doing praise. In your book, there is a quotation of Guru Granth Sahib. Those who keeps the Lord enshrined within their hearts are called the devotees of God. Means those who keep the Lord in their heart are called the devotees of God. How we can show that we are having a devotion in God? By doing the prayers from the heart. It is a way of relating to God, to ourselves, to those around us, in opening our heart and minds and soul to God. Just as we make time to spend with those we love. As you are loving your mother, you are spending the time with your mother, same as you have to spend the time with the God. So in making time to pray, we are seeking to grow in our relationship with the divine. So children, for praying to God, we should sit at a quiet place, close our eyes and thank God for all the lovely things that He has given us. Children, prayers are very important. Prayer helps us to communicate with God and it should be taken very seriously. Prayer does not have to be something that is complicated and difficult. It's something anyone can do anywhere at any time. Prayer is the opportunity to spend time with God. When God hears our prayers, He protects us and guides us to move on the right path and solves all the problems that we face. Once Gandhiji's son became ill. He had a very high fever and he became very weak. Doctors advised to give him some non-vegetarian soup. As Gandhiji was pure vegetarian, he became very sad. Full night he prayed to God. In the morning, Gandhiji's son fever is disappear. So, according to Gandhiji, prayers means asking God for something in a reverent attitude. God love is like an ocean. You can see its beginning, but not its end. Dear children, God love is beautiful, peaceful, one of a kind, endless. It is plentiful and vast. God love is huge. He loves you to an immeasurable degree. God love for us never ends. He loves us with a love that is like no other. A love bigger than a love of a friend. His love gives us rest and heals us. Children, God loves us when we act, when we behave like we don't love Him. He said in Bible that I loved you at your darkest. Children, there is a story in your book, The Inheritance Devotion. In the story, there was a businessman who did not believe in God. He had a son. He did not want his son to know about God. So, he arranged teachers for every subject. He even not allowed his son to meet other children. When his son became 12 years old, One morning he heard the voice of the sun from the lawn. He is praising the one who is created the stars, the moon, the sun, the river, the oceans, the mountains, the flower, the trees and the animals. The businessman was shocked to see his son was praying. He asked his son, "Who taught you all the things to say?" The son said, "No one. I felt by myself." Don't you think these beautiful things shows the greatness of someone who had created? Businessman started believing in God. The moral of the story is it is impossible to hide God because He is present everywhere. Children, love for God means love of God or love by God. Love for God is associated with the concept of worship and devotions towards God. I hope you all developed a habit of praying to God. Thank you, students.